Okay, so I want to actually share with you guys some testimonies of the students of the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. Now, these are people who started KDP from knowing nothing about Amazon KDP to becoming people who are doing as little as they can do for now in their KDP business. Now, this is one of my students, as you can see, Samira Umar, a KDP student. As you can see at the top here, you are seeing the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, and she was just giving testimony on her making getting to $100 as you get. And I believe this is just with a few books, you understand, and she's not really running hard, and this is just organic, you get. And I also think that most of the things that because she has not even used up the 21 elements that is supposed to use, marketing element that is supposed to use in her KDP business, you get. As you can see, good morning, I am happy today, reach my first $100, thank you so much. And this is in a month though. Thank you so much, Value Bank. She was actually getting a lot of congratulations. As you see, a lot of people were congratulating her, you get. So this is just how we celebrate, here in the Zero. I just, one thing about me is that I celebrate people's little win. I also you know celebrate the big wins. I have students who are doing 2 to 3,000 plus. I have students who don't even post in this group that come to my DM, and when they show me their own testimonies of the result they are getting with the course, I just get amazed, you understand. So they are really seeing results with the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. When I mean result, I mean people are seeing consistent results when it comes to. And I actually feel, as someone who has gone through a lot of courses, like this is the best Amazon KDP course that you can ever go through. Now this guy you know made, as you can see, he's giving a testimony. He published this book this evening and it started selling. Thank you at Valuebank. So these are people that are getting results. Now, this is as a result of applying what a method I call the irresistible book method, which actually works all the time. And when I am talking about this method, is just predictability, is you knowing that if you put out a book out there as a publisher, you will sell. You get, it is pure predictability. You know that any book that you are putting out there, it will sell. You get. So what I teach is not something that works today and tomorrow it doesn't work. No, you can also be among those people that are getting a lot of results in their Amazon KDP business. All you just need to do is to enroll in the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. As you can see, you are seeing a lot of congratulations. And one thing about my own kind of mentorship is that I really go hard on these people. I am not this kind of person that you have to get a course from me and tomorrow I'm not responding to your message again. First of all, I am not selling KDP courses. I am not a course creator. No, I am a book publisher. That is mostly what gives me the amount of money I make online. You get. Doing YouTube and creating a course is me just trying to help the community and trying to help people who really wants to use book publishing to make money. That is just the reason why I created a course in the first place and even started doing YouTube. If you go to my YouTube channel and go to the description, you see that I actually have a mission there, which is to help as much people as I can in the short period of time to become millionaires. And one of the ways to doing that is to teach what I know how to do best and what is making me the most amount of money in my life, which is book publishing. As you can see, this my student Onyedikachi, as you can see, KDP student, you see he got a review and his book is actually doing well. You see, at Value Bank, I'm still that your student you said you are very disappointed in him, which is him, you understand, because of my mistake on book formatting as a newbie, sir. Thank you for everything. Those words didn't kill my spirit, rather I felt motivated. I go show you my dashboard, sir. Thank you so much. And you can see a lot of people were actually congratulating him. You get one thing about my kind of mentorship is that I really go hard on these people. I just want them to succeed. You get, I'm this kind of person. When you come to seek for my mentorship, I make sure that I really carry you by the hands to make sure that you succeed. So it's not you giving me your money and the next thing, I don't respond to your messages again. That can never happen with me. You get, just like I sit down to write my books, I also see these messages and I also make sure that I respond to these messages. You get, so I believe this is what true mentorship is, and this is the only way you can actually get this and get direction like this is when you actually get the mentorship. And I advise anyone out there who wants to use book publishing as a means of wealth creation, or you're already publishing, you want to use it to make money, I advise you to actually get the course. You understand? And just make sure that you are part of the best KDP community out there in Africa. This is just the best. This is just the best. So thank you so much for actually seeing this video and seeing the testimonies of the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP students. As always, I am Valuebank and I will be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.